Hey everyone and welcome. I'm so excited to share my love for Germany with you. Today we're going on a super fun trip to the top 10 best places to visit in Germany. From old-timey streets in medieval towns to super tall cathedrals, Germany is amazing. So pack your bags, grab your comfy shoes and get ready for an awesome adventure as we explore Germany. First stop, Berlin. This city is a vibrant blend of the old and the new, where every corner tells a story. Germany's capital city is a super cool mix of history and modern stuff. From its cutting-edge architecture to its historic landmarks, Berlin is a city that never ceases to amaze. Imagine this, you're walking along the East Side Gallery, a place where history and art collide in the most colourful way. The East Side Gallery is the longest piece of the Berlin Wall still standing. It's a powerful reminder of the past, now transformed into a canvas for artists from around the world. It's covered in amazing art. Each mural tells a unique story, reflecting the city's spirit of resilience and creativity. The Brandenburg Gate is super impressive, standing tall as a symbol of unity and peace. This iconic landmark is a famous symbol of Germany becoming one country again. It's especially stunning when illuminated at night. Really close by, you'll find Museum Island, with 5 awesome museums. Each museum offers a unique glimpse into different eras and cultures, so grab a currywurst, find a cozy pub, and enjoy the exciting city of Berlin. Whether you're a history buff, an art lover, or just looking for a good time, Berlin has something for everyone. Get ready to be amazed because our next stop is like a fairy tale. Imagine stepping into a world where every corner is filled with magic and wonder. Neuschwanstein Castle, nestled in the heart of the Bavarian Alps, looks like it came straight out of a storybook. Its towers and turrets reach for the sky, creating a silhouette that dreams are made of. This awesome castle, built by King Ludwig II, is a testament to his love for grand architecture and romanticism. It even inspired the iconic Sleeping Beauty castle at Disney, making it a symbol of fantasy and imagination. Go inside and you'll see fancy rooms, shiny chandeliers and beautiful murals. Each room is a masterpiece, showcasing intricate designs and luxurious details. Take a look at the amazing views of the forests and lakes. The panoramic vistas from the castle are simply breathtaking, offering a serene escape into nature's beauty. Next, we're going to Munich, the capital of Bavaria. This city is a blend of rich history and modern vibrancy, making it a must-visit destination. This fun city is famous for Oktoberfest, the biggest beer festival in the world. Every year, millions of people gather to enjoy traditional Bavarian music, food, and, of course, beer. It's a celebration like no other. Start your trip in Marienplatz, the center of the city, where you can see the cool glockenspiel. This historic square is surrounded by stunning architecture and is a great place to soak in the local culture. For some Bavarian tradition, go to the Hofbrauhaus, one of the most famous beer halls in the world. Here you can enjoy hearty Bavarian cuisine and listen to traditional music while sipping on a stein of beer. Check out the BMW Museum to see some cool cars and learn about the history of one of the world's most iconic automobile brands. It's a paradise for car enthusiasts. Or walk through the Englischer Garden. This expansive park is perfect for a leisurely stroll, a picnic, or even some surfing on the Eisbach River. It's a green oasis in the heart of the city. Get ready to explore the beautiful Black Forest. This area in southwest Germany is perfect for hiking, with thick forests, pretty lakes, and cute villages that look like they're from a fairy tale. Don't miss Freiburg, a beautiful town famous for its waterfalls, the highest in Germany, and you have to try some Black Forest cake. It's super yummy. Get ready to love the Rhine Valley. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is beautiful, with rolling hills, vineyards and castles on cliffs. A boat trip down the Rhine River is a must-do, with amazing views. Visit the cute town of Bacharach and try some of the famous wines. Ahoy there! We're going to Hamburg, Germany's cool port city. On the Elbe River, Hamburg is a mix of old and new, with historic warehouses and modern buildings. Explore the Speicherstadt, the biggest warehouse district in the world, with its canals and red brick buildings. To learn about Hamburg's history with ships, go to the harbour and check out the Fischmarkt. Get ready to be amazed by Cologne, a city that mixes old history with modern fun. The huge Cologne Cathedral is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Explore the charming Old Town with its narrow streets, traditional pubs and old churches. Try some Kolsch, Cologne's local beer, served in small glasses. Cologne is a city you'll love. Heidelberg on the Neckar River is a city of romance and smarts. Above the city are the ruins of Heidelberg Castle, a beautiful old palace. Walk along the Philosopher's Walk, a path with awesome views of the city and the castle. Heidelberg is a university town, so it's full of young energy. Get ready to be wowed by Dresden, a city rebuilt after a war. It's called the Jewel of Saxony. Dresden's skyline has the Frauenkirche, a beautiful church that was rebuilt after World War II. Explore the Zwinger Palace, a great example of fancy architecture, and see its ornate facades, courtyards and museums. Dresden is a city that loves art, culture and bouncing back. Our last stop is Rothenburg ob der Tauber, a perfectly preserved medieval town that feels like going back in time. Walk through the town gates and you'll feel like you're in a fairy tale. The cobblestone streets have half-timbered houses, cute shops and cozy cafes. Walk along the wall around the town for amazing views. And that's it, everyone, our super fun trip to Germany's top 10 best places. From Berlin to the castles of Bavaria, Germany has something for everyone. Whether you want adventure, relaxation, or to learn about European history and culture, Germany is a place you'll remember. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your trip to Germany today.